History of modern Indian pharmaceutical industry. The history of modern Indian pharmaceutical industry dates back to early 20th century when increased nationalism gave rise to great, greater interest in science including pharmaceutical. In 1982, Indian scientists like P.C. Roy, A.I. Kotopkar laid the foundation of pharmaceutical industry in India. In 1901, Acharya P.C. Roy stated first Indian pharmaceutical industry, Bengal, Chemical, Kolkata. It was the first Indian company for production of quality drug and pharmaceuticals, chemicals and home products with indigenous technology. In 1907, Alembic Chemical Works in Baroda. In 1919, Bengal immunity were stated. At early stage, the development Indian pharmaceutical companies relied heavily on foreign companies for their bulk drug requirement. The country now ranks fourth in terms of generic production. Its position is 17th in terms of export value of bulk activities and dosage form. India exports pharmaceutical formulation to more than 151 countries. The Indian pharmaceutical industry is a net exporter of bulk drug and genetics and ranked 17th in the world in the term of bulk drug and formulation exports. More recently, the growing number of MNCs have entered into more collective with Indian pharmaceutical companies. The pharmaceutical industry in India explained the growth of $75 billion USD by the year 2020. Significant implication for Indian player. Shift focus from market share capture to market creation. Adopt new and differentiate business model. Sustain products access. Opportunity in India pharma industry. Opening up of health insurance sector and the export growth in per capita income are key growth driver from a long term perspective. This leads to expansion of healthcare industry of which pharma industry is an integral parts. Indian company can become a global outsourcing hub for pharmaceutical products. Growing attention for health and growing incomes, globalization and easier international trading. Strengths. Indian manufacturers are one of the lowest cost products of drug in the world with a scalable labor force. Major segments of pharmaceutical industry are generic drug, OTC medicine and vaccines, contract research and manufacturing, biomolecular and biologics. The domestic pharma industry. Increasing number of Indian pharmaceutical companies have been getting international regulatory approvals for their plants from agencies like US FDA, MHRA, TGA, MCC, Health Canada, etc. India has largest number of US FDA approved plants for generic manufacture. The top pharmaceutical company in India are Cipla, Dr. Reddy's Laboratory, Lupin, Sun Pharmaceutical, Aurobindo, Glenmark Pharmaceutical Limited, Alkem Laboratories, Zydus, Entas Pharmaceutical, Mankind Pharma.